Morning students. Today I am going to explain rounding of numbers, estimation and Roman numbers of your chapter 1, that is knowing our numbers. First I will like to take rounding of numbers. First, rounding off to the nearest 1000. For any number rounding off to the nearest 1000, for this we will write 0 in place of ones, tens and 100 place, and we see the digit at 100 place. If it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, we will increase the digit at 1000 place by 1. If the digit at 100 place is less than 5, it will remain the same. For example, here I have taken the number 3864. Here the digits at the 100 place is 8, which is greater than 5. So we will increase the digit at 1000 place by 1, and 3 plus 1 becomes 4, and 3864 is rounded out to the nearest 1000 is 4000. Again I am taking the number 3264. Here the digit at 100 place is 2, and 2 is less than 5, then 3 will remain the same here, and 3264 will be rounded off to 3000 by writing 0 in place of ones, tens and 100 place. Now coming to the rounding up to the nearest 10,000. Same procedure will be there. Student, take it there. Same procedure will be there. We will write 0 in place of ones, tens, 100 and 1000 place. And if the digit at 1000 place is 5 or greater than 5, we will increase the digit at 10,000 place by 1. And if it is less than 5, it will be the same. For example, here I have taken the number 88132, and the digit at 1000 place is 8, and 8 is greater than 5. So 88,132 will be rounded up to 90,000. Again I have taken the digit 82132. Here digit at the 1000 place is 2. 2 is less than 5. So 0 will automatically come in place of ones, tens and 100 and 1000 place, and 8 will remain the same because here 2 is less than 5. Then 82,132 will be rounded up to 80,000. Now coming to the rounding up to the nearest lakh. Same procedure again. We will see the digit at 10,000 place. If it is 5 or greater than 5, we will increase the digit at lakh place by 1 by writing 0 in place of ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000 place. And if the number is less than 5, the digit at lakh place will be the same. For example, by taking the number 165163, it will be rounded up to the nearest lakh is 200000, that is 2 lakh, because here the digit at the 10,000 place is 6, and 6 is greater than 5. So we will increase the digit at lakh place, that is 1, by 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now again taking the number 121163. Here the digit at 10,000 place is 2, and 2 is less than 5, then 1 will remain the same, and 0 will come in place of ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. And 1,21,163 is rounded up to 1 lakh. Now coming to the second topic, estimation. It is a very important part of our life. For example, if we are going to purchase 2 jeans and 2 shirts, then we make an estimate of the total expenditure on jeans and shirts that can be around rupees 6,000. It enables us to carry enough money. So estimation is only approximate value. It gives an idea of how much enough money I should have carried to market for purchasing 2 shirts and 2 jeans. So estimation is only approximate value, and it is not an actual value, but it is very close to the actual value. Now coming to the estimating sum. For example, we have to estimate the sum of 67 and 123 to the nearest 10. Then 67 is rounded up to the nearest 10, it is 70. 123 is rounded up to nearest 10, it is 120. Then we will write 70 plus 120 is equal to 190, which will be the estimated sum and which is an approximate answer. It is not an actual sum. Actual sum is 67 plus 123 and estimated sum is 70 plus 120. Now estimating difference. Let us estimate the difference between 2314 and 1234 to the nearest 1000. 2314 is rounded up to the nearest 1000 becomes 2000 as 3 is less than 5 and 1234 is rounded up to the 1000 here because 2 is less than 5. Now the estimated difference is 2000 minus 1000, that is 1000.